I'm right here.
Come here.
This is as close as I'm gonna get, baby. I think you're gonna bite my toes.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet.
Here.
I'm
No.
a little bit. You're just so strong.
Here.
You're so strong.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to bite me.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh.
Come here.
You're so sweet. No, baby.
What's the matter, darling?
Nothing. I love you. I just said. I think we just need some time before we do that, okay? See, that's why.
What's the matter?
I still think you're gonna bite me.
No.
I'm sorry.
What's that?
See?
Stop talking next level. Oh, where is my car? Let the birds out. Come here, bird.
I didn't mean to.
This parrot yells and fights like he pays the bills in the house, and it's hilarious.
Don't do Bentley, watch out. I gotta put my feet up. Hey! Get out of here! No! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to... Why do you want to fight tonight? Hey! I brought you home toys and a skateboard. Hey! Quit! Preston, no! What? Hey, you're acting like a cracked chicken.